There was one. Hey, look at the team. We have one that's level 1000.
I hate Chinese. I hate Chinese. Chinese.
Yeah, and you have no good mic.
Chinese. Chinese.
That's the guy. Shut the fuck up
I
with
want
your
to kill
Chinese.
Chinese. I want to kill Chinese.
Stop and buy a better mic.
Chinese. Chinese. The Chinese. Where is the Chinese?
In your ass
Where is
out.
the Chinese? I can't see. Where is the Chinese? Chinese. Come out, Chinese.
Waves left. I try my best to get him.
Oh, I'm getting shot by the Chinese! I killed Chinese. I killed Chinese.
Ooh, damn. You killed Chinese. You fucking Chinese, mom.
I killed Tojo.
Tojo is a fucking Japanese, bro. Man, oh, fucking stupid.
They killed
I
the
am
Chinese.
fucking LGBT.
You sound like a Chinese when you talk. Are you Chinese?
Yes, I'm Chinese.
You're Chinese. I'm getting shot at.
He said Arabic. No Chinese. It's not Chinese.
That dude.
That was Ukraine.
Death to
Ukraine soldier.
America. Death to America.